Go with the 12th problem here. Right. The distance between two cities, that is X and Y, is 50 kilometers. Ramesh travels from city X to city Y by scooter with an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour. How long will it take him to reach a city Y? Right. So, what they have given, the distance they have given, right? The distance, that is two cities, that is X and Y. The distance between two cities is 50 kilometers. So Ramesh is going to travel from X to Y by scooter at 30 kilometer per hour. Right. So what we need to find? So we need to find the time taken to reach from X to Y by Ramesh. Right. So now you just check out here. It's very simple one. So he is going to travel. See, for 1 hour. So he is going to travel 30 kilometers. Right. So for how many hours? That is, let me consider it as X. So to reach 50 kilometers. So this is ratio problem. So you can go with this. For 1 hour, so it is going to, he is going to reach 30 kilometers. That is what they have given, 30 kilometers per hour. Right. For how many hours he is going to reach 50? Right. You know, multiplication of these two things. Right. 30x is equal to 50 into 1. Or x is equal to 50 into 1, that divided by 30. Which is nothing but, if you simplify, which is going to become 5 by 3. Right. So 5 by 3 hours it will take to reach from X to Y by Ramesh. So which is in terms of improper, let me convert it into mixed fraction, that is QRD, right? So divide this 5, that divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, right? 2 remainder, this is remainder, quotient, and as well as divisor. Q is going to be 1, right? Remainder is going to be 2 and as well as 3. He will take 1 2 by 3 hours. That is 1 2 by 3 hours. Option E is the right one.